Hello, my name is Chris Nielsen and welcome to your first tutorial here in Adobe Illustrator. So along my dock down here, I'm going to start my copy of Adobe Illustrator. I will allow it to capture data from my screen recording here, obviously. And this is a recording for those who have recently upgraded to Illustrator 2026. First thing you want to do is set up your workspace. So before you even begin to do any work, you're going to go to Window, Workspace, and you have a bunch of different preset workspaces or panel arrangements on your screen. You'll notice in Illustrator you have Essentials and Essentials Classic. Essentials is for those of you who have worked with Illustrator for a while. You know where everything's at. This is like a stripped down version of the program. And I've been working in Illustrator for 30 years. I would not use Essentials. I would always recommend, as I work in, I would always recommend you work in Essentials Classic. Okay, what that's going to do is show you what your screen looked like the last time you quit Illustrator. So I tend to pull panels apart, which can leave a mess on your screen. So once you have set up Essentials Classic, you go to Window menu again, Workspace again, and reset Essentials Classic. That will put all your panels back where they belong. Of course, what you also get is your panels listed in icon view, which is not very helpful. So what I'm going to do is minimize my properties and my libraries. You can do that with this little double arrowhead to collapse those icons. You do want to see your other panels, so you click the other double arrowhead and expand those. Now, more than anything, you're probably going to be using your stroke panel and your layers panel. So instead of having them all kind of buried in here with the other panels, I'm going to go to the word layers, click and drag to tear that out. And you can see when I tear that out, I can pull this down so I can see a longer list of layers later on. Or you could leave it right here and later on you can pull that. But I'm also going to pull the stroke panel out. And you'll notice how small that is. Okay, what I'm going to do is right next to the word stroke, I'm going to click that double arrowhead. That will collapse it to just its title. Just to the left of the word stroke, I'll click again, and that will expand the stroke panel. So I have everything ready to go. Okay, you can kind of overlap those other panels like that just to kind of get this out of the way. But you don't want to go all the way because it's going to nest inside this other panel arrangement when you see that blue bar. So we'll just put it there. Okay, if you're not going to be using these other panels for a while, you just click the double arrowhead to collapse those. So that can free up a little bit more space as you're working here. Okay, this can also go outside like that. You can push it way off if you want, but I want to keep it here on my screen. And this is your workspace. So have that ready to go. And then in the next video, I'll walk you through the updated preferences for Adobe Illustrator 2026 in just a minute. Welcome to Adobe Illustrator.